Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the default PDF application so your changes take effect. Locate any PDF file and right-click or control-click to open Properties or Get Info. This directly links you to File Association controls. If you prefer changing options inside a reader, launch that PDF app and open its Preferences or Settings panel. Once done, keep focus on the Association field or Default App dropdown, so you can change who opens PDFs immediately without extra. Now modify the association so PDFs open with your chosen program. On Windows, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then search for PDF and select the application you want. Confirm the change. On Mac OS, use Get Info for a PDF, expand Open with, pick an app and click Change All to apply system-wide. Alternatively, open your preferred PDF reader's preferences and use the General tab to set it as the default handler. Make sure to save or apply each dialog to lock in the preference. Finish by tweaking how PDFs open. Set default zoom, single or continuous view, and startup actions inside the reader so documents behave predictably. If files continue to open in the old app, reopen the association screen and reassign PDF. Then restart your computer to flush cached defaults. If settings revert or cannot be saved, repair or reinstall the PDF application and repeat the association steps. Reinstalling often corrects permission or registry issues. One quick tip: check for updates that might fix persistent default conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.